Hi everyone, my name is Clifford Smith. I'm one of the owners of Gibbor Motors, and the purpose of this video is to show you what you need to look at the tires of a vehicle when buying a second-hand car. So if you can come a bit closer, first thing you want to check is to make sure that the tire size is what you need. So this one is 265/65 R18. What that means is it is an 18-inch tire. 265 describes the width of the tire. So it's 265 from that side to this side, 265 millimeters. The 65 means that 65% of 265 is the width of the sidewall. So if you do the math and you take 265 divided by 65%, that is the width of the sidewall. Then another thing that's quite important that you can have a look at is the age of the tire. So here you'll see there's a small indicator there that says 1023. So what that means is the 10th week of 2023 is the manufacturing date of this tire. So insurance companies usually require that the tire not be older than 5 years, but it differs from insurance company to insurance company. Another thing that you can have a look at is the tire wheel inspection mark. So on this BF Goodrich, you'll see it says TA there. There's a small arrow there that you can have a look at as well. So it differs from vehicle to vehicle, but it's always something on the sidewall that indicates on the inside. There's a small indicator there. A little bit of rubber that's a bit further out than the inside surface. So what you do is you have a look at that and compare it against the physical surface area of the tire. If the surface area of the tire is close to or over that or beneath that tire wheel inspection mark, it means that the tires are done. They are finished. So this one is still quite a new tire, hasn't been driven a lot. That's why you can see there's quite a bit of surface area left or tread on the tire left. Thank you very much.